Let's go to the next topic. Okay. So JEP 330. What the meaning of JEP? Java Enhancement Proposal 330. The number is 330. The feature name is Launch Single File Source Code Programs. What the meaning of it? If you plan to develop your project in a single file, then you can run that program without compiling. Okay. Launch single file source code programs. What the meaning of it? What is this feature? It is a Java 11 new feature. Using this feature, we can run a project as a standalone application without compiling. We can run a main method class compiling. So that is the meaning of this feature. What is the syntax? Simple. You create a class with main method and then run that class directly by using Java command by giving Java file Java example.Java. Right. So in last class already we have discussed these 2 points. What is this feature? What is the syntax of this feature? Now the question, just completing these 2 points not sufficient. We need to learn some more points. Okay, some more points we need to learn. What are they? What are the 2 rules we must follow to run Java file without compilation? Okay, what are the 2 rules we must follow to run Java file without compilation? Are there any rules we need to follow? Yes, we must follow 2 rules. What are the 2 rules? Rule number 1, inside Java file, main method class must be the first class. Okay, inside Java file, if you want to run Java file directly by using Java command, the rule number 1, it must be the first class. In a single Java file, you can create multiple classes now, but you must take the first class. The first class has its as a first class. Main method class must be the first class. Then second, inside that main method class, if you are accessing any other class methods, those classes must be available in current Java file. Okay, if you place them in another Java file class, then it will not execute. Understand what the rules in following this feature? Main method class must be the first class, and if you are accessing the method from any other class, that class must be available in the same Java file. If it is available in different Java file, it is not possible to run. Let me show you this point. For example, I'm taking test.java file. Okay, open this test.java file. Now I am trying to access M1 method of pre-class from another Java file. Open command prompt, clear screen, Java C. Oh, okay. Already we have developed another class now. 1 second. Let me close this. Already we created one test program. What is that? Class test main methods, test main. Okay. Then now come here. Java test directly run. Program compiled successfully. Directly executed. Background any .class file created? No. With this feature, background.class file is not created. Okay. Then now the question, think. I am creating one more class here. Class, something called A. Open bracket, closed bracket. So now main method class is the next class. Somewhere I am creating. And then if you run this line, JVM will throw error. Cannot find main method in where? Look at that, where? In the class A. So JVM will execute main method only from the first class. Okay. So if the main method is not available in the first class, then it will throw error. Everyone understand that? Right. If I create main method in both the classes, then will JVM execute main method from both the classes? No. It is executed only from the first class. Now look at there. Now I am running this program again. Look at that. We got output from first class. Hello. Did you understand my point? Then now I am changing this test class name to B. Hello. I change the class name to B. And then below, now if I run this program compiled, program run or not run? Come on. Program will run or will not run? Program will run or will not run? I already told you, don't worry about who opened the camera because we cannot tell anything to them. You have to move your mouse over this camera. Will run or will not run? Java file name and the class name are different. Will they run or will not run? Will they run or will not run? Now look at there. Look at there. It's happily executed. So what is this feature? What is this feature? This feature is meant for running a single source file, directly without compilation. Then as part of this feature, first main method class will be executed. Java file name and the class name, it doesn't worry. In this Java file, whatever the first class you place, in that class available main method, it will execute. That's it. Okay, now I am declaring this class B as a public, sir. Okay, tell me, I am declaring this class B as a public. Then now clear screen. Now try to run this program. Will it executed or not executed? Chalo. Will it be executed or not executed? Will it be executed or not executed? Come on. Executed or not executed? It's executed successfully. Okay, no problem. Sir, public class name Java file name must be same now. For whom? That for compiler. For compiler, public class name Java file name must be same. Why? Because this class is using by other Java programmer. Now currently this class using by whom? You wanted to run this program as a single Java file program. Now you don't want to access this class by other programmer. You are accessing this class by within the same program. Then it's a public file name, class name, Java file name, same or not same, or doesn't matter to JVM. Do you understand my point? As part of Java11 feature, whatever the classes you are defining in this Java file, those classes you are accessing in the same Java file from the first class main method. So if you declare it as a public, you saving Java file and class name same or not same or doesn't matter, because you only accessing, other programmer not accessing as part of this feature. If you use a compiler Java C, if you use a compiler software Java C, then compiler throw error. Why? Because public class name Java file name must be same. If you use a compiler, meaning of compiler is what? Separate dot class file you create. Later this dot class file code I will access from other class. Now other class programmer should know in which Java file the class is defined. That rules, whatever the rules you have learned up to Java 10 version, all features are applied for Java 11. But only this new feature you need to understand. Whenever you are running Java file by using Java command directly, class is public or non-public doesn't matter. It doesn't consider it. Okay, it will consider only in first class main method there are not. In the first class, if main method is not there, it is throwing error. That's it. That much simple. Okay, and then tell me now. Here I'm removing this. Okay, let me take a normal method, one normal method, static void m1 of open bracket closed bracket. Then inside m1 method I am writing a statement system.out.println of double quotes I'm writing bm1. Now I want to access this bm1 where within the same class. Then what do you write within the same Java file? What do you write? b.m1 you must write, save it, clear screen, compile it. Sorry, so no compilation, directly run. So look at there, a main and bm1 coming. Tell me, can I also access test class? Yeah, b dot main of below string array of what do you write now? New string of 0, new string of 0, save. Then tell me now, here let me change the message to b main, save it, go to command prompt, run it, output will be coming b main also. Do you understand this feature? Come on, all people understand? Now the question, try to answer. Here, another important point, try to understand. I am trying to call class p.m1 method. Last class I told you auto compilation. Okay. If you define m1 method in a class called p, and if you create that class p in a separate Java file, no problem to compiler, but there is a problem to JVM. If you run this Java file with Java command like this, it will throw error. Cannot find symbol variable p. Okay, If you define class in another Java file, you cannot access. But there is a small twist. Observe. Java C p.java file I compile. P.class file is created. Okay. Now you are running Java. Tell me. Now will work or will not work? Come on. Will it work or will not work? Now it will work. Will it work or will not work? Look at that. It will work, but small error throwing. What is that? Exception in thread main, java.lang. Illegal access exception. Okay. Failed to access class P from class P. P is in unnamed module of loader app. A is in unnamed module of loader com.sun.tools or something. What the meaning of it? If you wanted to access a class which is available in a .class file, then it should be a packaged class. Catch my point? It should be a packaged class. Open this p.java file, open with Notepad. Now I'm going to create it as packaged class, package p1. And then I have to declare it as a public, and also I should declare method also as a public. Save it, go to command prompt, clear screen. I hope all you people know how to compile. Java C -d dot what p dot java. Then spelling mistake. Where it is generated? In P1 package. Sort by type. Now in P1 package, P, X, Y are there. Now go here. Existing .class files you removing. Then come to test11. Now observe. Here what I should write? Fully qualified. It is available in P1.P.M. Now go and compile it. Run it, not compile. Run it. Look at that. Now output will come. Is it clear? So what is the point you need to understand here? Java 11 new feature. What is this feature? It is a Java 11 new feature using which we can run a Java file directly without compiling. Next, what is this syntax? Okay. Now, what is its syntax? Okay. What is the syntax to run a Java file? Simple Java space file name directly .java extension file name. What are the two rules we must follow to run Java file without compilation? Rule number one. The first, in a single Java file, we can have multiple classes. Main method class must be the first class. The class you placed in the Java file, the first class you placed in the Java file must contain main method. Else Java command will throw error. Rule number two, the methods which you are accessing from classes, the classes whom you are accessing, it must be available in the same Java file. Okay. And now, what are the three rules? Let me change to third rule. Okay, what the third rule? If the class is available in another Java file, you cannot access. You must compile it explicitly and should be there in the packaged format. So if you want to access classes from other directory, you must develop it. Packaged class can be accessed. Okay, now all 3 points. Can I hope all you understand? All 3 points understand? Next, fourth question. With this feature, to run a class with this feature, Java file name and class name must be same. To run a class with this feature, must Java file name and the class name be same? What's your answer? Yes or no? Not required. Not required. Next. To run a class with this feature, must Java file name and public class name be same? Not required. Even though class is public, Java file name can be different. Can I hope you understand this point? Okay. Next, sixth point. Tell me. If any syntax mistakes are there, if any syntax mistakes are there, how those errors are shown to us? Come on, come on. How those errors are shown to us? Come on, come on. Look at that. If any mistakes are there, let me do some mistake. First mistake I'm committing, I am moving main method to some other class, class C, let's say. Okay, tell me. Class A doesn't have main method. So what error we are getting? Java test Java11v. So throwing error, cannot find main method in class A. That is the error number 1. If a main method not there in the first class declared in the Java file, then compiler throw error cannot, sorry, JVM Java command throw error cannot find main method in class A. Did you notice? Are you getting capital E error or small e error? Did you notice? Who is throwing this error? Small e error or capital E error? Go back to once upon a time long ago. Small e error is runtime error or compile time error? Small e error is runtime error or compile time error? Compile time error. Oh, okay. So now slowly, some thoughts I am trying to get from these errors. Okay, now I am making main method available in the same class. Then next, here I am removing semicolon. Okay, I remove semicolon. Then come to here, clear screen, and now run it. No compilation, run it. Hey, observe. And in this Java file, error, semicolon expected, system.out.println here, one error. What is coming? Error. What error? Compilation failed. Hey, compilation failed. Hey, come on. Compilation failed. What the meaning of compilation failed? In this Java feature, in this Java 11 new feature, running Java file directly, background, this program is compiled, na? Come on, buddy. JVM cannot understand source code. JVM understand only bytecode. So that means when I give this Java file to JVM, JVM implicitly what is doing? Compiling each and every line and running the program. First step, compiling and then running the bytecode. Then tell me, earlier who invoked compiler? You invoked. Now who is invoking compiler? JVM itself. So JVM software in Java 11 version, JVM software got some upgrade, some enhancement. What is that? When you give Java test.Java, JVM software will take this file name and will put the condition. What is the first? It is verifying the extension is .java. Okay, if the extension is .java, then it is invoking compiler software Java C. What is giving? Test.java. Below, compiler software is invoked by programmer you or by JVM software? JVM software. Then compiler compiles, generates bytecode and returns those bytecode, returns the bytecode or those bytecode to whom? Come on, to you or to JVM? To JVM. Why? Come on, why? Click on rise button and tell me. Every day I should tell you, na, click on rise button. When I freeze the screen, you click on rise button and tell me. Now compiler software return bytecode to whom? Calling person. Who is the calling person? JVM. Then JVM executes given bytecode. Okay, display output. Okay, after then bytecode is destroyed. After that, bytecode is destroyed. Everybody got clarity? Yeah? So tell me, in this feature, .class file generated or not generated? Not generated. Why not generated? Because you are not asking compiler to generate bytecode and save. So what is the difference between this statement and Java C test.java statement? Java C test.java statement, what it will do? Java C test.java, what the meaning of it? You are asking compiler. So it will generates bytecodes and give those bytecodes to your hand. How it can give to your hand? What is the communication between you and a software? Hard disk. It will store in the hard disk. From the hard disk you take, right, and stores bytecode in dot class file. Are catching my point? From the dot class file you can use it. Is it clear my point? Right, very, very important point. Then, for example, if no, okay, if yes, if no, if yes, then this is the flow. It use compiler. If no, what it will do? It will read, search for dot class file with the given name. All catch my point? If there is no extension .java, it is searching for a dot class file with the given name. If found reads bytecode, runs that bytecode, if found the story is same. JVM executes the given bytecode display output and destroy the machine language code. That's it. Okay, this is the basic difference happened from Java 1. Okay, this is up to Java 10. Okay, this is only we have up to Java 10. From Java 11 version onwards, this is the additional flow added in JVM software. Did you get clarity? Tell me, earlier only you are using compiler separately, JVM separately. Now if you use JVM compiler, everything combining together and working. Can I hope all you people got clarity on this Java 11 changes, JVM algorithm? Shall I remove this? Take a screenshot. What? Now let's go down next fifth. What is fourth, fifth, sixth, and this is seventh point. Right. What is the JVM algorithm? What the JVM? What is the changed or added JVM algorithm, or what is the added algorithm in JVM with respect to this feature? Okay. So now JVM software implicitly calling compiler. Next, eighth point. Tell me, there is a concept, right? Command line arguments. I told you now, main method explanation time. Now to the main method, can I pass arguments? Yes. Now Java test Java11.Java 1020 I can pass like old style only. Then you go there, semicolon. How can you read the past values? You can read the past value like this. First you write args of 0, and then next you read args of 1. Okay, don't ask me anything. All right, just you follow. In coming classes I will understand it. Look at that. The past values you mention here. Pass it to this Java command and passing to our main method. Whatever the values we enter, those values are coming here. Okay, right. What is that? So what is the, okay, can we pass command line arguments with this new feature? What is your answer? Yes. What is the syntax? As usual, earlier only. So these 8 points, did you understand? These are the 8 basic important points. Let me write here. Can we access the classes defined in another Java file? Okay, what is your answer? What is your answer? Here, yes or no? No. Okay, next. Answer is no. Next, can we access the classes defined in, okay, access the classes available in another dot class file? Another dot class file? Possible or not possible? Possible if it is a packaged. Okay, if it is a packaged class, you can access. No problem. Tell me, why this facility is given? Tell me now. Why? Sixth question. Why are we allowed to access Why we are allowed to access packaged classes? Come on, think. If you are not allowed to access packaged classes, how can I access string class? Is a string class available in the current Java file? Are you catching my point? Why they have given this facility? If this facility is not available, not given to us, then what happened? The string class, the system class defined in another Java, another folder, predefined classes you cannot access. Forget about your own classes. Predefined classes also you cannot access, right? That's why what they have given, you are allowed to access the source file only available in the current Java file. If you want to access the .class files, yes, you are allowed to access, but it should be a packaged class. Why the facility is given to access classes from the packaged class .class file? Because in order to provide access to predefined classes, string and system classes and other classes. Okay, na? Right. So these are the points you must understand. Can I hope all the people got clarity on these 11 points? Any doubts, Nana? Okay, now what is the motivation to this feature? Why this feature? Okay. Answer is no. Question number 4, answer is no. What the feature name? Single source file, single file source code. Only one Java file classes you can access. Will we get .class file with this feature? What the answer? No. We don't get any .class file. Just program is executed. That's it. Okay. What is the Adda Ardhama? Sleeping? 11th point. Are you sleeping? Just now completed. Deep sleeping or normal sleeping? Late joined. What question I have asked? Can we access classes available in another .class file? What is your answer? Are they direct classes or packaged classes? Okay, you can access classes available in .class file. Okay, let me write here one more question. Can we access normal classes from .class file? Answer, no. Okay, the next one, can we access packaged classes from .class file? Answer is yes. Then now the 8th question I have asked, why are you allowed to access packaged classes available in .class file? Answer, for the sake of predefined classes. They are allowed for predefined classes and now I am using it. For example, doors are opened for latecomers. Okay, doors are open for 15 minutes, doors are open for latecomers. Then tell me, people really coming late is getting benefited because doors are open. Now people who can come by time also, they are also aram say coming late. So we are also misusing this feature. What the feature? Predefined classes to access. Because for predefined classes to access, doors are open for packaged classes. Let me also create my own classes in different packages and then access it, right? And then to run a class with this feature, must Java file name and class name be same? Not required. Next, to run a class with this feature, must Java file name and public class name be same? Not required. Okay, now next, If any syntax mistakes are there, how those errors are shown to us? As usual, like a compiler only. Earlier, how it is showing, same way it is showing. What is the added algorithm in JVM with respect to this feature? When you run Java with the .java file, JVM first invoking compiler, asking compiler to compile this program, generate bytecode, and the compiler return the bytecode to JVM. Then JVM translate the bytecode into machine language, and then generate the output, display the output. Once the output is displayed, the machine language and bytecode both are destroyed. .class file is not created. Okay, next. Can we pass command line arguments to this feature? Yes, as earlier, Java command, .java name, following by command line arguments. So these are the 14 important features. Can I hope all you people got clarity? Still any doubts? Don't be lazy. Today is a teacher's day. So maybe I will be very, respectable way to you. Teacher's day, scolding day, scolding day. Every day is a scolding day only. So if you are not active in the class, not understanding madre, be active in the class. Then, now the question, you remember what is the interpreted programming languages? What is the compiled programming languages? I given you one topic earlier. When core Java starting time theory, what is a program? What is a program? What you call compiled programming language? What is a compiled programming language? I told you. Remember? Compiled programming languages will run the program only after compilation, whereas interpreted programming languages will run the source code directly. Right? Will run the source code directly. No compilation. Interpreted programming languages doesn't compile the program, directly run the source code. Now or Java program also now directly run the source code. Java test underscore Java11v. Then does mean from Java 11 onwards, the target of Sun Microsystem making Java language as a interpreted programming languages, making Java programming language as a scripting style programming language, making Java language as no main method less programming language. No. You are not going to change the Java program syntax. You must write class, you must write main method, whatever the syntaxes earlier you are following, same syntaxes you ought to follow with this new feature also. There is no change in the style of Java program. So Sun Microsystem target with this feature is not making Java program a scripting programming language like Python, not like an interpreted programming language like Python. It is just giving competition to Python. Everyone understand? It is just giving competition to Python. What the competition to Python? Python is telling that, are beginners? If you take a Java language, you must write to class, main method, and then compile, and then execute. Oh my God, lot of things you are doing. If you come to Python, you no need to do anything. Just you type, save, run, 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 type, save, run. No compilation. So Python people are shouting on the market saying that, hey, dear programmers, if you take my Python, it will swallow you like anaconda. But Java people are not swallowing you like that. They're giving you very hot, warm coffee to you. Okay. So what they're telling, right? Java people are very, very tough. You have to type, then save, then compile, then run. It's a lengthy process. My dear beginners, if you come to Python, we can directly type, save, and run. But slowly, if any of you learn Python, first beginning days, you are typing, saving, run, type, save, run. But going on, any of you learn Python program style and Java program style same na? In Python also you must write class. In Python also you should write method. In Python method only you should write logic. Yes or no? Python, people who learn Python, can you please repeat? Can you please reply? People who learn Python, some people know Python already, right? So going on advanced program in Python also you must compile, you must you must Okay, going on in Python also, you have to create everything whatever you are doing in Java. Okay, otherwise it's not reusable. So beginning days only the difference is there for beginners. Then Java people come forward and telling that, dear beginners, okay, like Python, Java is also providing you direct type save compile feature from Java 11. So tell me, this feature is meant for projects development? Can you use this feature to develop projects? In projects, we'll create a big applications, big Java files. Then we are creating classes in separate files. Then tell me, is it a good approach for projects development? Is this feature for projects development? No. Okay, this feature is not for projects development. This feature is only for beginners to understand quickly Java program development, compilation, execution. That's it. So what is the motivation to this feature? This feature motivation is just for beginners, only for beginners, easily to enter it into programming, to avoid compilation by programmers. Okay, a beginner, a fresher just come to programming without compilation. Type save run means it is easy for them. Then compile means what happening background, all those are abstracted from the beginner. Then what are the non goals of this feature? The non goals of this feature is not making Java language scripting language, not making Java language as interpreted programming language, not making Java language as what do you call main method less programming language. Okay, everything earlier syntax as it is, everything you are going to get here. Okay, now can you hope understand this point, these 2 points? Understand? I'll show you all the points and I'll share the document from where I collected all this information. I'll share the document, you can also read. The next point, tell me, is this feature giving any advantage to project development? No, it's a worst feature. Okay, the next, in which version this feature is added? Java 11. Can we use this feature in Java 12, 13, 14 next versions? Yeah, currently I'm using 18, 14 version, it is allowed to use. Okay, now there is a concept called shebang files. Okay, there is a concept called shebang files. What the meaning of shebang file? A scripting file, okay, which contain complete code in a single file is called what? Single source file is called what? Shebang file. Okay, is it clear my point? These are the totally 20 points. Now, where can I find all the details of this feature? Okay, 21st question finally. Where can we find complete details of new features list? Okay. Uh, where can we find complete details of new features list? Very simple. You must use the website, open jdk.java. Take screenshot of this slide. JVM11 algorithm. Try to read all points. Completed? So expecting all the people to work out and come, and I have already some notes is there. I will share these notes, all points tomorrow. Okay, here also only, yeah, questions and answers also there. Very good. Everything is ready. So first you complete the notes and come. Okay. What is Java 11? When Java 11 is released, what are the different features exist in Java 11? Where can we get all those information list? What is Java 330? What is the change JVM algorithm in JVM source code? What is this feature? Is any dot class file generated? What are the different rules we must follow to run source code? Where we must define main method in first class? Can we define main method in all classes in .java file? Yes. If yes, are all main methods executed? No. Must Java file class name same? Not required. Must public class name and Java file not required? Not required. Can we create multiple public classes? Yes. Okay. Right. If we have dot class file in present working directory, can we run .java file directly? No. What is? Oh, 1 second. 1 second. This point I forgot. Okay. So seventh point. Observe now. Here I open. Now let's say main method class. Let me take test.java file. This point I forgot. Open with okay test.java file. No, you can take anything. Name stubs pattern.java. Open with notepad. Okay. Now save it. Is a main method class. Single source file main method class. Open command prompt. Observe. Java C. What I'm writing here? Name stubs pattern.java. First I compiled. Dot class file is there. Then now I am running with the .java extension. Will it work or not? Okay, it's working. Then what I do, open this one, right click, open with notepad. Here I'm taking out 2/sts, save, go here, clear screen, run. Okay, it's working. Even dot class file also there. Let me check with the previous version. Set path equal to C:/JDK11/bin. Look at here. Do you understand? In Java 11 version, if you have .java file, .class file, both, okay? If you have both .java file, .class file, in Java 11 version, this feature is throwing error. Class found on application class path. So I cannot execute. Erabuji, did you understand? Did you understand? If you remove this .class file, then only it will work. Which version? Java 11. Okay, clear screen. Set path equal to C:/JDK12 I am taking. Run. Now first compile. .class file have. Compile. Then now execute. Now problem solved. So tell me, what is the enhancement done for this feature in Java 12? If we have .class file in present working directory, can we run .java file directly? Okay, up to Java 11 version, not possible. Okay, right. 8th question. What is the change added to this feature in Java 12 version. Okay. Then ninth point. What is the limitation of this feature? You cannot access the classes available in another Java file. Auto compilation. Is auto compilation possible? For the point, not possible. Next, can we access classes defined in another Java file? No. Can we access the classes from already compiled .class file? Yes, if it is a packaged class. Okay, yes, if it is a packaged class. That point remember. The next 12th point. What is the rule accessing the classes those compiled and available in another Java file? It must be packaged class. And next, if this .java file packaged statement, will this feature work? If this .java file has package statement, will this feature work? No. Let us try to test. No, it will not work. Let us try to test. Look at the p.java file. p.java file. I am moving into p.java file. I am moving into directly package p3. .class file I am removing. Okay. In p.java file, open with notepad. It has a package p3. Let me try to test it. Open this file. Okay, any name you can take, no problem. p1.p.m1 I am calling. Okay, save it. Sorry, it's a p3 na. Sorry, p3. Save it. Go to command prompt. Clear screen. Directly run. It is throwing error. What the error? Package p3 doesn't exist. Okay, even though package p3 is there, it is throwing doesn't exist. Okay, I'll do one thing. First, I will compile. Okay, Java C p3 slash p.java file compile. .class file generated there. Then now you run it. Now program successfully executed. PM1 is coming. Okay, got clarity? Yeah? So source code cannot be accessed from other file. So if this .java file has package statement, will this feature work? No. Why? Packaged. Why already compiled packaged classes are allowed with this, allowed to access for predefined classes sake. And then 14th point. Are all classes defined in this Java file loaded into JVM for running? No. Are all classes defined in the Java file loaded into JVM for running? No. Okay, I have explained that point here clearly. All are not loaded. Whatever the class you are accessing, only that class is loaded into JVM. Okay, right. So then next point, diagrammatic explanation on the internal process of compilation execution in JVM as per Java11 new feature. Next, is this feature given any benefits? No benefits. Is this feature given any problem? No problems. Can we use this feature for a project's development? No. For whom this feature is implemented? For new beginners. Next, why this feature is given in Java 11? Why not in beginning version itself? Because beginning version Python not there. No. It is a competition to Python. Does auto compilation support in this feature? No. With Java 11 version and later features, can we follow old approaches? Compile and execute? Yes, we can follow. We have to follow that only. How can we pass command line arguments to class in this feature? As it is like a earlier version only. In this feature, is this feature making Java language scripting language? No. What is the motivation or target of this feature? Just making beginners to develop the code, type, save, and directly run. How can we run Java program without .java extension? Create a Java file without .java extension. Run it by using -- source option as below. Okay. Okay, there is a one interesting point is that observe. Now, I am going to create something like this. I am creating a file without .java extension. Oh. So that's why I was there, C file without .java extension. Okay. And now look at here. Now, last point, right click. Okay, you know, right? How can I compile .java file? Now, from Java 11, okay, we wanted to run a class. Let's say I wanted to run this name V-shape pattern without .java extension I am creating. Okay, remove it. It's just normal file, no .java extension. Will a compiler execute without .java extension? No, na. All right. So now let me use set path equal to c:/c:/jdk 8/bin. Okay, now what is the command I'm showing here? How to run Java program without .java extension. Create Java file without .java extension created. Run it directly by using -source option as below. Java -source version number file name. Let me try. Right click. Now Java -source version number what? Let's say 1.8. File name is what? Name v-shape pattern. Run. Throwing error, unrecognized option. Remember, -source is available from which version? Java 9 version onwards now. So minimum JDK you must use what? 9 version. Okay, now set path -9/bin. Now you run this. Okay, now I should use 9 version. 1.99 anything is okay. Throwing error, unrecognized option -source. Okay, now let me set path equal to c:/jdk 8 9 10 bin -source. What I'm writing? Let me write directly 10. Not still throwing error. Clear screen. Now I'm trying to use 11 version. Okay, now Java -source 11. Array, I'm using 8 to 9 or 10 versions. It's wrong because source file execution option is available from which version? 11 only, na? Right? Okay, let me try without all these options. Directly I'm giving Java direct like this. No, it is not working. Could not find our load main class. If you don't give like this, what the meaning of it? It is searching for a dot class file, na? Old option, right? This is the old syntax. With the old syntax, dot class option it is checking, right? So now I have to give -source option. Which option you want to use? 11, right? Output is coming. Next, now can I use 12 here? It will not work. Why? Because current path is to 11, na? With 11, how can I use the next version? Not possible. Directly let me use 14 version, latest. Run, clear screen, -. Now 11 working. Okay, with higher version we can compile lesser version. 12 working, 13 working, next 14 also working. Is everyone understand? So first you have to set to at least 11 version. What the rule? Current JDK must be at least 11 version. Syntax is Java -source version number 11, and file name is, let's say, just test. Everyone understand the rule? Current JDK must be at least 11 version JDK. Right. So these are the complete details. Once again, I'm sharing all these details. Okay, here I given notes, but these notes I'm not going to share. First, I want you prepare notes by your own. Java 11 new features. Now in the chat window, I am sharing all these details. Once again, please try to collect it and prepare notes. I hope you will do it. Practice, practice, practice. If you practice, you will understand. Right. So Java 11 completed. Now moving to next topic. Main method last entry questions are there. Check once. We have already completed last entry questions also. Please read all questions quickly, whatever we discussed in last class Sunday. So tomorrow no class for your batch. Already told you, na? Tomorrow no class. Right, what is main method? Why main method? What is main method? Why main method? Why main method is called as a mediator method? In which predefined class main method is defined? Nowhere. What is the main method syntax? Why main method is public? No. .java file, you are not running with Java command. You have to compile and execute .class file. Okay, now let me try. .java file will be executed or not. I didn't try. Okay, because you asked question. Let me try. Maybe it will work or not work. I didn't try. Let me open command prompt java.java. Yeah, output is coming. Okay, java.java also working. Okay, good question. Thank you. If it is a main method class Java file, it will work. Yeah. So I'm sharing it. Please add with the previous points. Okay. Why main method as public? Why main method as static? Why main method as void? Why name is main? Why parameter? Why parameter syntax is array? Why parameter array type is string? Why parameter name is args? Can we change main method parameter name to Hari? Yes. Can we change main method at other parts? No. Can we add some more keywords to main method? Yes. Inside main method logic, what is the statement is not allowed? Tell me. Main method return type is void. What the statement is not allowed? Return semicolon. Okay, return semicolon, I mean return value semicolon is not allowed. For example, if you place return value semicolon, JVM will throw error. Let me open Java basics. Open notepad, and here I'm writing return some value 5 semicolon, then come to command prompt, clear screen, Java C name v pattern something, compiler throwing error, incompatible, unexpected return value. Babu, from tomorrow onwards, means Monday onwards, you want me to follow Java 11 version features syntax or old syntax? Which one you want me to follow? Directly you want me to run? Don't compile? Then I cannot develop multiple Java files. That is only beginner. You want to be a beginner? Yeah. Tell me, Java file change with respect to main method, where are syntax 3 dots. Right, identify valid main method syntax from the below list. Okay, main, allowed, main string allowed, it is allowed, not allowed, not allowed, allowed, compile, no compile time error, runtime error. Okay, no compile time error, runtime error, because mine. Okay, next, final allowed, 5 not allowed, Hari and IT allowed, now square allowed. Okay, public static void main allowed. And then next, I'm writing something like this. Is it allowed or not? Tell me. 18th method. Why all dots are coming? I'm writing like this. Private static void main. Keyword private allowed? Not allowed. Why not allowed? It is compiler allowed, but JVM not allowed. Java 7 version change with respect to main method. Cannot execute a class without main method. At this stage, you don't have subject maturity to understand these points. Okay. In a static members chapter, I'll explain these points. Can we call main method without bracket syntax? Can we call main method ourselves? Yes. With a square bracket syntax, you must create array object. With the dot syntax, no need to create object. What are the rules we should follow? With the with square bracket syntax, you must pass array object with the size. The value must be negative number, positive number, 0 or positive number. And we'll get two runtime exceptions while working with main method. Java.lang. Array index out of bounds exception. Okay. Next, negative array size exception. Second one is what you call stack overflow error you will get. Can we create main method in all classes single Java file? Yes, allowed. Can we overload main method? Which main method executed? We covered. Can we define two main methods in the same class with a square bracket and dot? No. No. Square bracket and three dots both are same syntaxes, not just alternative to each other, not replacement. You cannot create. What is the syntax between square bracket and three dots in creating and calling? So if you create three syntaxes, observe, let me open the program and show you. If I create with three dots, multiple classes .java file, open with notepad. If you create a main method with three syntaxes, three dots syntax, square bracket place I'm writing three dots. Okay, three dots means what? 0 to n number of values. I can pass 0 values, not passing any value. Look at that, not passing any value. Directly you can go and compile it. Java C multiple classes .java. You get compiled successfully. Java executed successfully. So three dots means 0 to n number of values you can pass. So that's why main method, if you create with a square bracket, you must pass array object. If you take three dots, no need to pass. So these are the 27 questions, and the 3 questions you cannot understand here, you will understand in the static members chapter. I hope main method all questions are covered. Is it clear?